Hey friends, it's Sean with iwashyoudry.com, and today I thought it would be fun to take you along with me camping and show you exactly how I make one of my favorite one skillet dinners in my trailer. Let's get going. Okay, so today we are going to be making my chicken and black bean enchilada skillet. It comes together so fast and in just one pan, so you know it's an easy dinner that you can easily make any night of the week or in your trailer. So I have about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs here, and I've already diced them up into about bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to add in just about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. Perfect. All right, and then I'm just going to coat all of this together. We're going to cook this in our skillet over medium-high heat until they're cooked through. So I have got my chicken thighs already cooked through, so I am going to continue by adding in 1 can of black beans, and I've rinsed and drained these. I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of enchilada sauce, and normally at home I would use my homemade version, which I will link to in the blog post, but when I'm camping sometimes I just go for the canned stuff and it's all good. And then 1/2 cup of salsa. I also have a fantastic salsa recipe on my site that I'll link to that you can try. And that's it. We're gonna stir this together and let everything get nice and heated through. We're gonna let the black beans get heated through. It only takes a few minutes here. And while this is cooking through, what's gonna make this that enchilada style dish is the tortillas. Now watch this. So I'm going to take about 6 of these white corn tortillas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's about 7 there, so that's okay. So we're going to take about this many, and I am just going to cut them into little strips. Perfect. And then we're going to add these into the skillet along with all of our other ingredients and stir them in, and they're going to soak up the sauce. They're going to make it have this amazing consistency. It's unreal, and it's so quick. My kids love this recipe. It's so quick and so easy, and it takes all of the work of forming chicken enchiladas into just like the easiest dish, all in one pan, fuss free. And of course, we can't have enchiladas without the cheese. I'll just put the cheese right on top here, and I'm just using about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of a Mexican blended cheese. And all you gotta do is pop a lid on it and let it melt. While the cheese is melting, I'm gonna get all of my toppings out. Here I have diced avocado, some tomatoes, green onions, and of course some sour cream. These are just what our family really likes. Those are ready to go. This is just about ready. Oh, I have to show you my favorite thing about camping are these pots and pans that I found. I scoured the internet for a long time. I've tested many pots and pans, and I have found literally the best set. Let me show you. So this is my set. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this. When you're camping, you're like reduced to like minimal space, and so this is perfect because this pots and pan set nests inside of each other, and they come with these felt little liners, and it comes with a handle, and the handle can go from any pot and pan just like this, and I can easily move it to the side. There's lids that come with it. How simple and amazing is that? Look at that. Whew, it's getting windy. Okay, anyways, I'll link to this in the description. You can find it below. And I'm telling you, this was a game changer for us when I started looking for pots and pans. I love this set so much. Okay, put this away. Oh man, this looks so good. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and give this a try, shall we? Oh man, that looks so good. Got my chicken, black beans, tortillas, plenty of cheese. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna throw on some sour cream, tomatoes, some avocado, of course some green onions. Woo! Looks so good. All right, guys. You guys, talk about a comforting meal while you're out camping. Doesn't get any better than this. You can also make it at home. You don't have to be camping to make this. I think you're gonna enjoy it. And make sure you head to iwashyouDry.com to find the full recipe, as well as tons more one-pan dishes just like this one. And I'll see you guys next time. Happy camping!